Good day everyone, this video will teach you how to use the SQL Any and All operator. Let's get started. What is SQL Any and All operators? The Any and All operators allow you to perform a comparison between a single column value and a range of other values. In SQL Any and All, we have two operators, the Any and All. But let's talk about the Any first. The Any operator returns a Boolean value as a result. Returns true if any of the subquery values meet the condition. Any means that the condition will be true if the operation is true for any of the values in the range. Here is the syntax for any operator. Select column name from table name where column name, operator any. Select column name from table name where condition. Now this is how to use the any operator. For this tutorial, we will be using the Northwind database as a sample. The following SQL statement lists the product name if it finds any records in the order details table has quantity equal to 10. Will return true because the quantity column has some values of 10. Here's the query. Select product name from products where product ID equals any. Select product ID from order details where quantity equals 10. After executing the query, the result returns records of product name from the products table. It also has a condition that those products have a quantity equal to 10. We get this from the order details table and it determines the quantity by using the product ID. Now let's move on to all operator. The all operator returns a Boolean value as a result. Returns true if all of the subquery values meet the condition. It is used with select where and having statement. All means that the condition will be true if the operation is true for all values in the range. All syntax. Select all column name from table name where condition. Here's the example of all operator. The following SQL statement lists all the product name. Here's the query. Select all product name from products. Again, execute the query. As you can see, it shows all the product name from the products table. And that's how you use SQL Any and All operator. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys learned something. For more tutorial like this, just visit this channel. See you in the next video.